In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contact data from HubSpot. Let's start right from the HubSpot dashboard. First, log into your HubSpot account as you normally would. Once you're in, look over to the main navigation where your tools are grouped. On the left-hand side, you'll see the CRM section. Hover your mouse over the CRM icon, and from the options that appear, click on Contacts. This will take you to your main contact list, where all of your contacts are displayed in a table view. On this contacts page, decide which contacts you want to include in your export. If you only need specific people, simply click the checkbox to the left of each contact's name. You can select as many as you need this way. If you want to export the entire list that you're viewing, you can save time by clicking the checkbox at the top of the column header. This will select all contacts on the page, and depending on your filters, possibly all in the view. Once you've made your selection, look towards the top right of the page for the export option and click it. This will open a pop-up window where you can configure your export. Here, you can edit the export name to something meaningful, so it's easy to identify when you download it later. Next, choose your preferred file format, such as CSV or another supported type, depending on how you plan to use the data. You can also choose the language for the column headers, which is useful if your team works in a specific language. In this same pop-up, you'll see a section called Customize, usually displayed as an accordion you can expand. Click this to fine-tune what's included in your export file. Here you can decide whether to include all email addresses associated with each contact, which is helpful if your contacts often use multiple emails. You can also choose which properties to include, such as name, company, lifecycle stage, or any custom fields you've created. Additionally, you can choose which associations to export, like related companies, deals, or tickets, so your spreadsheet has the context you need. After you've reviewed and adjusted these options, scroll down in the pop-up and click Export at the bottom. HubSpot will start processing your export file. You should see a success notification at the top of the screen, confirming that the export is in progress. Shortly after, you'll be able to download the file from your notifications or from your email, depending on your settings. And that's it. You've successfully exported your contact data from HubSpot.